So we're going to start talking about the transition components. There are several transition components that we want to pay attention to and isolate so that we get a firm understanding of what it means to transition the gun from target to target. The first transition component that I speak about when we isolate the drills is called the exit. What do I mean by exit? Something that you'll see is if you watch a slow motion video of a gun going off, when the trigger is pressed and the shot goes off, the bullet leaves the barrel before there's any sort of slide movement at all. Now, what does that mean? As long as you hold still long enough for that to happen, which is hundredths of a second, it's really not a lot of time at all. As long as you hold still for long enough for that to happen, you can do anything you want after that. The bullet has left the barrel, it is going to its destination. So with the transition exit, what we are looking to do is as soon as we press the trigger and the bullet leaves the barrel, we want to get the gun moving to the next target as soon as possible. So as soon as we feel the gun go off, now in this case we have an optic. As soon as the dot starts to lift off the target, we can call our shot good and we can start moving. So the transition exit drill is this. In live fire, what we would do is we would start aimed on target, and on the beep we would press the trigger and try to move the gun as quickly as we could. We're actually trying to, in the context of one shot, we're trying to yank the gun off target before the bullet gets there. You'll find it's actually very, very hard to do. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Start aimed on target, set the timer up on the beep, press the trigger, yank the gun off target. See how hard you can yank the gun off target and still have hits. You'll be surprised at how much you can actually do. Guys, give that a try and share that with someone who you think would like it.